Hi friends, how are you? You wanna see some magic? Let me show you some great magic. Yalla 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 guys, do you see the magic? You see that all the things stuck in mud all of the sudden? Yeah, that's the real magic, but don't worry, we will make them in the same condition which you see in the beginning. We will wash them very soon. So let's check out what we have today. We have today a lots of things: guns, vehicles, construction machine, big gun, sniper gun, tank, F-16, wow, we have Ironman, we have big jeeps, we have sports car, wow, and we have hand grenade. Yalla 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 guys, this video is so much fun. So let's collect all the things. After M15, that's a construction machine, this one's too, and this little one is a farmer tractor, and this sports bike and this military ship, oh my god. This one is two small sniper gun. You can call them the pocket gun, and this one is my 4x4. Wow, awesome guys. And this one is a military tank, the small one but effective one. And this one F-16. Here we go with Spidey. That's an Ironman mask. That's a dump truck, and that's a pump action gun. Wow, bang bang bang. So let's collect this sports cars along with this hydraulic drill, and these are hand grenade. Oh my god. And this one is very special one, AK-47. Yes, we have today AK-47, and this is it. So let's rock and roll. Yalla 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 guys. The water is good and we are ready. So let's start this video with this construction machine. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. You can see the water is changed, and here we go. Wow, that's a road roller. The machine gun. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. This one is very mind-blowing. AK-47 machine gun. Wow. Bang, bang, bang. That's a beauty. AK-47 is clean. That is cool, guys. Let's put them here and let's check out what's the next one. We have this sports car. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. Our sports car is clean. Wow, that is cool.
Keep watching to find out.
What we have next? We have this Jeep. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Let's wash him. Here we go. This Jeep is clean. Can you service your Jeep like this? I bet you are not, but I can. Here we go. Let's check out the next one, and next one we have is a pump action gun. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. We have a shotgun here. You can call him in a local language. It's a repeater gun. Bang, bang, bang. The shotgun is clean. Here we go. And we have now the small pocket gun. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. Our 30mm gun is clean. Wow, that is so much fun. Today we have lots of guns. Let's check out the next one. It's a construction machine. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. That's a hydraulic drill, the big construction machine. Wow, awesome. That is cool. Let's check out the next one. What we have next? We have a Ironman mask. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys.
Oh no!
Here we go. Our Ironman mask is clean. Cool guys.
Shaped in battle.
What we have next? That's the plane. Let's wash him. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Oh wow, that's a F-16 fighter plane. Wow, that is so cool. And now we have a cowboy gun. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. That's a very cool cowboy pistol. Here we go. Bang, bang, bang. That's a cowboy pistol 10mm shotgun. What we have next? We have lots of things still in our basket. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. That's a tank. Big military tank. The mighty big machine belong to military. Bang bang. Here we go. What we have next? That's again a construction machine. So let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. That's a front loader. Wow guys, that's a big construction machine, the front loader. Bang bang. And the next one we have is a tractor. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. That's a farmer tractor. Wow, that is so much cool. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is hand grenade. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. That is so much dangerous thing. But don't worry, these are only the plastic toys. Here we go. We have hand grenade. Boom. And another one. Boom. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a 4x4 mighty big machine. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. That's a 4x4 truck. Awesome guys. That is cool. Wow, so this is it from today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day friends. Take care. Bye bye.